Drawing Lewis structures can be a pretty daunting task for grade 11 chemistry students who have only really drawn Lewis dot diagrams for a single element. So what I'm going to show you in this video is step by step how to easily draw a Lewis structure for beginners. We're going to do two examples. Let's start with carbon dioxide. Now the first step is choose the element that has the most bonding options. What do I mean by that? Carbon has 4 outer electrons, so it has 4 bonding options. Oxygen has 6 outer electrons, which means since it needs 8, it only has 2 bonding options. So carbon has more bonding options, so we're going to place it in the middle. And because, hint number 2, chemistry loves symmetry, right, we're going to place oxygen just with a single bond. We're always going to start with single bonds on either side. We're not going to place one here and one here because that's not very symmetrical. Okay, next step, we're just going to throw some free electrons on there to make sure everyone is happy. Now, to make sure everyone's happy, we need what we call a stable octet. So this is 2 electrons. Every covalent bond represents the sharing of 2 electrons. That's 2. So since we need 8 to be stable, we're going to add 6 here. Carbon has 2, 4, so we're going to add another 4, and this oxygen needs 6. So this is our preliminary drawing. So to check if we're right, we are going to look at how many electrons we have available to us and compare it with how many electrons we've used in our diagram. So how many available? Well, we have 2 oxygen atoms, and they each have 6 valence electrons. So oxygens give us 6 electrons, and then we have 2 of them. Then carbon gives us 4 electrons, and we have 1 of those. So when we add up the total, we have 12 plus 4, that's 16 electrons we can use in our outer shells. How many have we used? Well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We've used 20. That's not good. We've used more than what we have. So what we can do is to get rid of 4 electrons, we're going to share more. We're going to create double bonds. So we can get rid of, say, these 4 and add 2. And again, because we like symmetry, we'll get rid of these 4 and add 2. So now, how many have we used? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 electrons. Okay, so then double check to make sure everything's stable as well, right? So oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. Carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8. And oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is how we're going to do our Lewis structure. So in our second example, I changed it. We're not doing SO3, we're going to do CO3. And it has a charge of -2. So we're going to put carbon in the center, most bonding options, and then make it symmetrical, spread out our oxygens equally, like so. And then add free electrons so that everyone has happy or has a stable octet. So each oxygen needs another 6 to be stable. And then our carbon in the middle there, 2, 4, 6, needs another 2. Okay, let's look at how many available electrons we have versus how many electrons we've used. So available, well, we have a carbon. That gives us 4 valence electrons, and we have just 1 of them. We have 3 oxygens, each giving us 6 valence electrons. And then we have this -2 charge. That's a bonus plus 2 electrons. So that gives us a total of, we have 6, 12, 18, 24. So 24, it's hard to write that low, sorry, 24 4 electrons available. But how many have we used? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4. We've used 26. So we've used too much. So what we need to do is get rid of 4 and then create a double bond. So we'll get rid of these two. And then which oxygen should we bond it to? For grade 11, it doesn't matter. So just pick one and do your double bond. So now we've used 24 electrons. Now this is just an introductory lesson to Lewis structures. I'm not going to be talking about resonance structures. I'm not going to be talking about exceptions to the octet rule or VSEPR shapes. If you want to learn all about those, you can check out my tutorial for grade 12 chemistry, which should be somewhere here, or I'll post it in the description as well. One last thing we have to do, because this is an ion, we're going to put square brackets over our Lewis structure and put the charge in the top right corner. So I hope that video helped, and if you want to dive deeper into this, go check out the grade 12 tutorial. Thanks for watching.